Am I dumb? Let's find out together. Let's just jump around, do different simple free IQ tests. See the difference between these different sites and just see how I fare. Which answer expresses the meaning of the specified word best? Reassuring, compassionate, comforting, explanatory, meddlesome. Definitely not meddlesome. Reassuring. I'm trying to think of the actual definition. Like if I reassure, I guess the close. I don't know. I guess I would lean comforting over these other ones. Which number logically follows the series? So it was 4, 6, 9, 6, 14, 6. Oh, so 19. Which of the figures in the bottom row should logically be in the spot of the question mark in the top row? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, blank would make the most sense to me. But no, because that doesn't line up. I want to go with 1 heart, so that leaves us with these. I think it would go back up to 2, but then none of these really make fucking sense to me. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1 makes the most sense. That's the one I feel the most comfortable about. And then this one, maybe? This makes the most sense to me, I think, just because I don't think it would stay the same. So we're gonna go with this one. Although I didn't fall in love with any of them. None of the stamp collector. Oh, sorry. Which conclusion follows from the statements with absolute certainty? None of the stamp collectors is an architect. All the drones are stamp collectors. All stamp collectors are architects. It just said the opposite. Architects are not drones. No. No stamp collectors are drones. No. Some drones are architects. I don't think I can say that either. What the fuck? What am I overlooking? Architects are not drones? No stamp collectors are drones. Can't be that one. Some drones are architects. I wouldn't say that with certainty. Architects are not drones. Maybe that one? I'm fucking what, dude? Dude, what, dog? What does the resulting cube look like if you fold this cube together? It'd be a 1. 1 on the side. 7 would be on top. So 7 would be on top. 1 would be on the side. I think 4 would also be on the side. This is the only one that does that, but not this angle, though. But not that angle. How much does the angle matter? Because I'm folding this up, that up, this goes up, and this would wind up on top. So it should be like a 4 and a 1 there. Unless I do it the other way, like where I fold these down and this is at the bottom. So we're still... But that would still leave 4 and then 1, not... Okay, so I think I just have to go off of the orientation. So the 7 is going to be flipped in comparison to an upside down 1 like that, and then but the 4 is facing the right way, so I kind of want to go this one, but Dude, I might be dumb because the way I wouldn't see it like that. It wouldn't be that one. It wouldn't be that one. I don't. Well, hold on. Because maybe it's just not that one. I know that. I feel comfortable in that. So 7, because the 7 would be. Well, no, because the 7 would be pointed away even if they were next to each other. So no, so not these two for sure. The 1. I don't think it'd be that one. I think this would be facing the 1, so it can't be that one. The 1 upside down, a 4 on its side. It could secretly be this one. Because that would be. What way do I see it like that, though? I don't think I could see it. I think this is the only one that even remotely makes sense to me. I still don't like it. Tom has a new set of golf clubs. Using a club 8, the ball travels an average distance of 100 meters. Using a club 7, the ball travels an average distance of 108 meters. Using a club 6, the ball travels a distance of 114 meters. How far? So it added. So it went 8 more when it 8 more when it went there. 6 more. Let's go on. Okay. 8 more. Then 6 more. 5 more is not an option. Wait, am I looking at this wrong? Hold on. Using 8. Oh, wait. 8. No, because it still went 8 more. For some reason, I was reading. I won't even say. Fucking. What? Hold on. Average distance. 100 to 108 to 114. Plus 8 and plus 6. It was probably be plus 4. I don't know what I was thinking earlier. Tough. I mean the opposites of tough would be like weak. Tender? I've never actually really thought about what some tender meat. Water is to a pipe as blank is to a wire. Electricity makes the most sense to me. Which of the following is the best fitting for the specified word? Displeasure. Best fitting? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Injustice. Complaint. Complaint? Futile, sin, discord. I think complaint makes the most sense to me. Which of the following figures can be composed from the loose parts? All right, let's just go by piece. So they need this one. Don't see it present. I don't see it present. I only actually see it present in this one. Let's double check. It's that one. I am a man. Why does this change my? Why does my gender change my stuff? Oh, you guys are gonna learn maybe a little too much about me. My education level is. I dropped out of college because I was dumb. Never mind. The test fucking speaks for itself. 100 is average. That's how IQ works. Indicates a score of 125 or more. Subscribe because I'm smart. So that means good stuff's coming. Correct. It tells me if stuff was right. How would you fucking know? The correct answer is comforting. Reassuring someone does not mean that you show compassion. Explain something or meddle in his or her affair. Your answer was correct. Okay, number series. The correct answer is 19. Each time 5 gets added, the 6 in between remains constant. Your answer was correct. Dope. Okay, talk me through this one. Got it right, but fucking talk me through this one. The second image from the left is the correct answer. Dope. The number of hearts increases to 3, then decreases to 1. I got that part. The number of plus signs decreases to 0. Okay, the number of stars increases to 4, then decreases to 3. Your answer was correct. Okay. I mean, it made the most sense. Here's another one. Okay, right. This one I really didn't fucking understand at all. Your second conclusion is the right one. In the syllogism, you must have certainty that the conclusion is true. The easiest way to use circles to make a drawing. For example, draw a circle for stamp collectors. For stamp collectors. The architect's circle does not overlap with this circle, as it is separate. After all, none of the stamp collectors is an architect. The drone circle is within the stamp collector's circle. After all the drones are stamp collectors. Therefore, the correct conclusion is that architects are not drones. Your answer was correct. Fucking fell into that one. Cube. Fucking, okay, hold on. I'm cooking. The second image is the correct answer. In the case of cubes, it's a good idea to first cross off the cubes that at first sight are completely impossible. For example, answer C, A, B, C, is impossible because the 7 is at the right angle of the 4. Your answer was correct. Yeah. Dope. Calculation. The correct answer is 114 meters. With each club with a lower number, the ball travels farther by the distance between the previous two clubs. Minus 2 meters. Minus 2 meters, right. 114, 108.6. Minus 2, 4. Blah, blah. Answer was correct. Antonym. We're cooking, guys. Tender is the best answer. Cowardly is not as good. A strong person is not necessarily tough. And starch has nothing to do with tough. Masculine could mean the same thing as tough. This is an example of a question where the answer is not immediately clear. The best way to deal with this kind of question is to cross off the least likely answers. Your answer was correct. Dope. That one made the most sense. Anyways, correct. I went 10 for 10, dude. It should have told me I'm fucking a genius. Okay, let's go find another quiz, though. Okay, we're working mentally, ladies and gentlemen. How many questions? Fucking 10 again. Dope. The word mineral can be spelled using only the letters found in the word parliament. M, check. I, check. N, check. E, check. R, check. A, check. L, check. It's true. This sequence of 4 words, triangle, glove, Glock, bicycle, corresponds to this sequence of numbers. 3, yeah. 5, fingers, short. Clock, 12, there's 12 sides. Bicycle, 2 tires. Makes sense to me. We're going true. 27 minutes before 7 o'clock is 33 minutes past 5 o'clock. 27 minutes before 7 o'clock would be 6:33. So that's false. It would not be 33 minutes past 5 o'clock. It'd be 33 minutes past 6 o'clock. 27 minutes before 6 o'clock. Hold on. Before 6 o'clock, right? It's 6:33. Yeah, okay. No. The word because can be spelled by using the first letters of the words in the following sentence. Because. Yeah, that's true. I'm not even going to bother reading the sentence. If written backwards, the number 1,125 would be written 5,211. So 1,125. 5,211. I think that's true. Gary has only $48. If he borrows $57 from Jane and $15 from Jill, he can buy a bicycle that costs $120. Just running text. Okay. Gary has only $48. 48 plus 57. I hate when my dogs act up. Eos! Natasha! Stop! So 48 plus 57. I think that's 105 plus 15. That would be 120. So I think this is true. If a round analog clock featuring numbers 1 through 12 is hung on the wall upside down, the minute hand will point to the right of the viewer when the clock reaches 2:45. So 2, the minute hand, but 45 is there, upside down. Yes? Well, 45 would be pointing to the left, so upside down, I'm just going to say it's true. It would be to the right. If the word quain is understood to mean the same as the word den, then the following sentence is grammatically correct. Look out for my quain, I could see a wolf enter quain. Look out for my den, I could see a wolf enter den. I don't think so. If Richard looks into a mirror and touches his left ear with his right hand, Richard's image seems to touch its right ear with its left hand. And then mirror. I think that's true. If you leave the letters in the same order but rearrange the spaces into the phrase, them eats on, it can be read as theme at sun. Yes. Oh, shit. How many questions are we really looking at, gang? Each of the words auctioned, education, and cautioned use the same letters. Education. Education. This one has like a education. No, I think that's true. John weighs 85 pounds. Jeff weighs 105 pounds. Jake weighs 115 pounds. Two of them standing together on the same scale could weigh 200 pounds. Yes, Jake and John. The seventh vowel appearing in this sentence is the letter A. Oh, the seventh vowel. Hold on, the seventh vowel. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I think it's E. So false. 9 chickens, 2 dogs, and 3 cats have a total of 40 legs. So I think chickens, I think, are bipedal. And then these motherfuckers, so that's 8, 12, that's 20. 20 plus 18 is 38, so that's false. 16 hours are to 1 day as 20 days are to June's length. 16 hours are to 1 day. So, hold on. Oh, so 16 out of 24. I'm not writing anything down. I'm just like mentally like tracing my face. So 16 over 24. So it's 2/3. June's length. Does June have 30 days? I think June does, so I think this is true. I just don't know off the top of my head how many days June has. In the English alphabet, there are exactly 4 letters between the letter M and the letter G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. This is false. If the word tan is written under the word sly, and the word tot is written under the word tan, then the word sat is formed diagonally. If the word tan is written under the word sly, so tot, and so yeah, S-A-T. I think that's true. By removing 7 letters from the word motherhood, the word home can be formed. So H-O-M-E, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I think it's only 6. If a thumb is a finger, then 3 gloves and 3 shoes normally hold 35 fingers and toes. 3 gloves is 15. 3 shoes is also 15. That's 30. We're short 5, so false. The words every, how, hand, ever can form common compound words using respectively one, ever, finger, more. What? The words every, how, hand, ever can form common compound words using respectively. Oh, like everyone, however, finger, hand finger, evermore. I've never heard finger hand or hand finger, so I'm gonna say false. 3 out of 4 of those I think worked though. This might be a long quiz. If Monday is the first day of the month, the very next Saturday is the 5th day of the month. Hold on. If Monday is the first day of the month, every Saturday is the very next Saturday is the 5th day of the month. So Monday's the first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, it's the 6th day. False. Three of the following numbers can add up to the number 31. 17, 3, 2, 9, 15. Okay. I'm leaning no. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. 3, right? Yeah, no. Fred will be 4 blocks from his starting place if he travels 2 blocks north, then 3 blocks east, and then 2 blocks south. So 2 blocks north, 1, 2, 3 blocks east. No, I think he's only 3, because these two cancel each other out, and he's only 3 blocks east. Okay, so false. The following words are the opposite of words that begin with the letter R. The following words are the opposite of words. So unreal, would be real, street. Opposite? What's the opposite of a street? Because road isn't the opposite of a street. Grasp. Release. Maybe that could work. Unwind. Wind. I'm trying to think. What could the an opposite of unwind? Wind, but is there a synonym that I could think of that starts with R? Not really. Street's already telling me no. Rural? Like that's not really the opposite. Wrong, right. I'm still gonna go with false. The following, disregarding punctuation, is spelled the same forward as it is backwards. Todd erases a red dot. Todd erases a red dot. That's true. The letters of the word sponged appear in reverse alphabetical order. Yes, that's true. The numbers 3, 7, 2, 4, 8, 1, 5 are read backwards as 5, 1, 8, 4, 2, 7, 3. True. The odd numbers in this group add up to an even number. So disregard. So 20. So that's 20 and that's what. So 40. 41. That's false. Without breaking or bending a toothpick, you can spell the word thin with exactly 7 toothpicks, with no letter sharing a toothpick used by another letter. I hate how I have to read everything twice because I kind of am not actually trying to think what it's saying when I first read it. Without breaking or bending a toothpick, you can spell the word thin, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with no letter sharing a toothpick used by another letter. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is true. This sentence has 35 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. False. Honestly, it's more letters than I thought it was. As I was counting, I was like, there's no fucking way there's even fucking 20-something, but it's like 32. My B, pimp. Oh, we're almost done. This is going to be the last one. I'm only going to do 2. A square whose sides each measure 10 centimeters can completely fit inside of a regular hexagon whose sides each measure 10 centimeters. Hexagon looks like this. I want to say that's true. Yeah, I imagine that's true. I think the corners of this square would be touching the lines of the hexagon, but I still think that's true. 6 identical triangles can be formed by drawing 2 straight lines through an octagon center point. 6. Hold on, so an octagon looks like motherfucking. Again, I'm not drawing. I'm just fucking using my fingers. Down. 2 straight lines. So I think if I bounce. That would produce 4. I'm not sure where I'd get. I'm just gonna say false. That's probably a one I get wrong, but I don't see how. Just quickly off the top of my head, without really being able to draw, the number 64 is the next logical number in the following sequence of numbers: 2, 6, 14, 30, plus 4, plus 8, plus 16. Plus 32. No, 62 is the next, I think. Robert is taller than John. Charlie is taller than Robert. Therefore, John is the shortest of the 3. So Robert's taller than John. Charlie is taller than Robert. Yeah, John must be short as fuck. The sum of all the odd numbers from 0 to 16 is an even number. 1. Fuck, I might have to. Do I guess or do I take my time here? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Hold on. 13. Yeah, I think that's true. I think it is an even number. You guys couldn't see, but I was just going 1, 3. I was like 5. That's what I was doing. Each of seven persons in a group shakes hands with each other. Of the other 6 Am I tripping? Hold on. If each of 7 persons in a group shakes hands with each other. Sorry, with each of the other. Okay, I was fucking up. If each of 7 persons in a group shakes hands with each of the other 6 persons, then a total of 42 handshakes occur. What's the solution here? Just do 7 times 6? Or am I missing something? If it's just 7 times 6, yes. I'm going to say true, move on with my life, because I'm not going to let this test define how I feel about myself. I already think I'm dumb. 3 congruent regular hexagons can be drawn in such a way that all of them overlap with each other and create more than 6 distinct areas or compartments. I don't know what I would be real. I don't really know what this means. I don't know what distinct areas or compartments means when we talk about. So we're just going to say it's true. If a donut-shaped house has 2 doors to the outside and 3 doors to the inner courtyard, then it's possible to end up back at your starting place by walking through all 5 doors of the house without ever walking through the same door twice. 2 doors to the outside and 3 doors to the inner courtyard. You'd have to go in, out, but sure. I thought this was free. I'm going to be real with y'all. I looked up free, so when I saw this pop up, I assumed it was free. Okay, let's see what these. So arithmetic 144, spatial skill 143, logical 143, spelling 150, short-term memory 140, rote utilization 148, algebraic 149, general knowledge 145, visual apprehension 144, geometric 142, vocabulary 139, intuition 139. It literally was like just your vibe, your fucking gut. Uh, computational speed 80. Okay, I'm a little slow, but I get there obviously because I got a fucking 139, baby. What my score shows. Might be smart as fuck, guys. Your general IQ score of 139 shows how able your mind is in general. Anyone with general IQ Jesus Christ. I obviously can't fucking read. Anyone with a general IQ score this high is considered to be gifted. I think I did do some gifted shit in school. The score is better than 99.53% of all persons taking this test. So we're fucking big brain. You should be able to handle almost all academic challenges. I dropped out of school. You scored higher than your general IQ score in 10 individual ability categories. 3 of these better score. Okay, so let's see. My highest one was a 150 at fucking spelling. Cool. The ability to spell can indicate general intelligence. Remembering a set of sequence of letters indicates the mind's ability to retrieve remembered facts. I actually have a really bad memory. Learning how to spell and use the words of a language is almost a complete IQ test in itself. Although poor spellers with high IQ scores can be found, it is rare, and in general, everything else being equal, the best spellers have higher IQ scores. What we fucking do, apparently. Your spelling IQ score of 150 is exceptionally higher than your general IQ score. The score is better than 99.96% of all persons taking this test. We're fucking big-brained. Then my lowest was computational speed 85. If you can correctly solve a variety of problems faster than another person, you may be demonstrating a generally more orderly internal arrangement of your mind's problem-solving methods. While speed cannot be the sole factor in determining overall superiority in one's mental operations, faster computational speed will often indicate that comprehension of a problem is more complete. With everything else being equal, a person with faster computational speed will be better at tasks that require the synthesis of many bits of information. Your computational speed IQ score of 85 is significantly lower than your general IQ score. The score is better than only 15.87% of all persons taking this test. I'm a little slower. But what did we learn today? That I'm fucking smart. These tests don't mean shit, dude. These are online tests. Well, I did pay for one. Fucking whatever. Subscribe to me because I'm a big brain beauty boy. But thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe for more to come. And as always, keep gaming.